From the time of Plato, Western civilization inherited a philosophy that divided existence into two realms, the physical and the spiritual. Western Christianity has been shaped by Greek philosophy, logic, systems, and abstract. Yet Scripture was written from a Hebrew worldview, and that difference changes everything. The Hebrew worldview was never dualistic. Scripture reveals a unified creation where both visible and invisible realms flow together under God. Unlike the Greek philosophers, the ancient Hebrew sages did not try to fit God into a box or a system. On the other hand, the church's preoccupation with theological precision and creeds produced an intellectual religion that prized correctness over obedience, theory over relationship, and information over transformation. Now, the Greek mind seeks to define truth. However, the Hebrew mind seeks to walk in truth. One produces belief without obedience, and the other produces alignment, fruit, and kingdom manifestation. So when faith becomes mental agreement instead of alignment or righteousness, theology replaced relationship, and salvation became an escape instead of entering into life. You see, I came to the sobering realization last summer when I came to the end of my limiting analysis and reasoning. I searched through books and online in my attempt to dig deeper. That's when I realized revelation begins where your intellect ends. So returning to a Hebrew lens restores the interrelation and integration between the two realms of spirit and matter, faith and works, and heaven and earth. It reminds us that truth is not discovered through philosophy, but revealed through His presence. So the kingdom is not reached through intellectual assent, but manifested through humble, aligned, childlike obedient hearts filled with His Spirit. I am hosting my initial session for free, where I will unpack the profound difference between the Greek and Hebrew worldviews, and why returning to the Hebrew lens restores one understanding of the kingdom message that Jesus preached. Now, this first session is foundational. It's a prelude to the in-depth teachings I will begin unpacking afterwards. So this teaching will be open to anyone who has an ear to hear and eyes and that desire to see. However, going forward, the sessions will require an investment, just as I have done, in order to gain truth and understanding. As I have discovered, salvation is free, but true discipleship will cost you. So the link to sign up for the Zoom call is below. Stay humble, stay childlike, and stay hungry, my friends.